When you receive this message on your phone, you better hurry. You have exactly 2 minutes to take your one daily snapshot, you have to use both front and back camera at the same time, and you can't use any filters. The premise of the hyped social media app BeReal might sound weird, but it's very successful, especially with Generation Z. So successful indeed that Instagram is reportedly working on copying the idea to kill the competitor. Could BeReal be the future of social media? BeReal is the social app of the moment, especially in the US. In the last weeks, the app has topped download charts in several countries and counted even more new installs than TikTok. And people that have installed it are also more likely to use it every day. That's not always the case with other social media apps. Why is it so successful? BeReal markets itself as an alternative to established networks. Authenticity instead of elaborately staged beauty shots. BeReal won't make you famous. If you want to become an influencer, you can stay on TikTok and Instagram. The company behind the app state on their homepage. This might sound harsh, but obviously feels like a relief to many younger users after seeing too many perfect postings of too many wannabe influencers. In a way, BeReal comes across like the good old days of social media, if they ever existed. There's no algorithm that picks relevant content for you. There's no ads so far. All you get to see is what your friends have been up to that day. The snapshots will be gone once a new push-up message appears. This reminds of Snapchat's early days in particular, quick posts that disappear after a day. Funny enough, Snapchat has announced a dual camera feature similar to BeReal's just recently. There's a competition at the core of BeReal. The quicker you are in posting your photos after receiving the daily push notification, the more real you are. You can post a late BeReal as well, but that's just not so cool. Apart from that, you can only see friends' posts once you have posted your own BeReal. So-called real emojis are part of the app's personal touch, and if you make your profile public, your post might appear in the discovery section of other users, but that's about it. While there is a private gallery with your personal snapshots for you, your profile doesn't offer much opportunity to state yourself. BeReal's quick growth has brought a lot of problems. Similar to Twitter or Facebook in their early days, the app crashes rather often, which can be frustrating if you take the 2-minute challenge seriously. It will also be interesting to see how BeReal will try to cash in on its idea. More users mean higher expenses to keep the app running. Will they manage to earn money and still credibly sell the idea of social media authenticity? What about you? Have you already tried out BeReal? Do you like the concept? Let us know.